here for the color lashes, and so am I. We're over 50K subscribers. This is amazing. So I wanted to really quick like do an unboxing because we got a dope brand. I love doing unboxing. So shout out to London Lash. I am so happy that you guys sent this package to me. Look. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so cute. And so let's get into these goodies. All right, so y'all, is these snacks? They didn't send me some snacks because I don't be eating. Okay, period. Thank you for feeding me because I'm always starving. Oh, they didn't send a lot of stuff. Okay. Uh-oh. And some. And more. Okay. And what? Alright. Okay, yeah. So, let's see. What is this? So, this one, oh, these are some Premades. Alright, so this is for the girls who like to get the job done fast. Okay, they got a whole little booklet up in here. Because we love to make our jobs easier. Period. Done. One and done. Okay, because first of all, the packaging is giving luxurious. Alright, so they gave us black and brown. Oh, y'all. Oh my God, they gave us... Hold on, wait. Y'all know how I get. Y'all know how I am. Y'all know how I am. Hold on. Okay. All right, so we gonna open up. Let me see. Let's open up the brown. Let's see. Okay, so these is the black. So we don't care about that right now. We want to see the browns. Okay, let's see. Oh, y'all. Okay, so this is like a 1B. This look like it's giving 1B. It's so pretty. But okay, so this is like a brown black. And what's this? 8 through 13.5 cc. I love cc curl. Oh my God, my favorite. Okay, what's next? What's this? Okay, so these are black. Those are black. Oh, y'all. Oh, they sent us M curl. Hold on, are these colored? Okay, these not colored, but we got an M curl. Okay, that's black too. All right, but wait. All right, guys. They gave us pink. Pink? All right, look. Okay, so this is like, oh, this is cute. Okay, so this is nice. Y'all see this? This is real cute. I'm here for this pink. This is like some exotic stuff, right? This is cute. And then they gave us green and blue. Okay, let's see. Is it like ocean? Oh, yeah. Y'all, this is nice. What? Oh, okay. I like this. I like this a lot. I don't know who I'm going to use this on, but these is cute. Definitely going to be using these black browns for sure. I want to see how these are because, to be honest with y'all, my days of Easy Fan lashes have been out the window for a long time. But let's see how these are because I think... Oh, they soft. Hold on. I ain't never felt no Easy Fan lashes this soft. Let me get my tweezers. And let me just lay this real quick. And let me just see, like... Okay, so I ain't work with an Easy Fan. Maybe it's... I don't know if it's me or it's a tweezer, but we gonna figure it out. But definitely like these because one thing's for sure. If you guys are into making spikes... You can use an Easy Fan tray to make spikes. So they have like, it's like 2 different lengths mixed together at the same time. I've never seen anything like that before. I think that's real cool. Definitely something that I would consider doing. I would use these. If I use these, I would use these for my wispier designs because they have the little double spike technique thing, and I think that is really cute. Oh, they have a clear lash adhesive. I gotta test this out for you guys because I think now that we like on this whole color matching wave and doing clear lashes, like doing color matching, don't be one of them people that's gonna put black on somebody's lighter lashes. You're gonna make them look crazy. Like the goal is for them to not look like they have anything like attached. It's supposed to look like it's coming out of their face. At least that's the goal that I strive for. I think that should be the goal overall. All right, so they didn't send multiple different samples of adhesive. So they got a Flexi Lash Adhesive, Power Bond Lash Adhesive, Crystal Bronze Lash Adhesive. We're gonna test those adhesives out. Okay, so, okay, so they gave me this priming solution. I got priming solution. I got a booster, retention and speed booster. Got these two things right here. All right, and then we got cleanser, cherry scented. Okay, hold on. Can you be my cherry? Okay, let's see how it smells, y'all, because I'm really big on fragrances. It smells like cherries. Ooh, okay, so this is a fragrance cleanser. Okay, hold on, because why I want to use this stuff so bad? Oh, this is cute. Okay, hold on. Because I love a tweezers that's this, like this. Like, this is like a really good style because you got really good control when you hold it like this. Okay, I like that. I like the design of that one. Those are really good tweezers. Oh, and this one, this is like an isolation tweezer. Oh, okay, so they gave me two nice tweezers. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, so yes, definitely feels like Christmas. This Christmas will be the... All right, so let's see how these fan with the brown because I'm using the brown on my customer today. And then I'm going to tell y'all, I'm going to show y'all how it looks. I'm going to show it. Okay, so this one, let's see. This better be, I hope that these are not like a classic tray. All right, let me grab me a standard length. Like my favorite go-to length is always an 11. 11 is always going to be in the equation with me. So let's see. Oh, they peel off good and they foil back too. Oh, this brown is so cute on my skin. Okay, but let me see. Oh, it looks so good. Oh, and they fan good. Ah, a good grip. Oh, I did it. Look, y'all look. Y'all see this? I know y'all see this fan. Look at this fan. Y'all see this? This skinny tip. What? Hold on. Do you see that? Yes. I'm here for it. Oh. Oh, I want to use this on my customer. Okay, so I'm going to use these. I love everything. So I'm going to use these. I'm definitely curious about these. Super curious about how this brown is going to show up on camera. I'm going to use the tweezers as well. I'm really itching to get my fingers into all of these things. I'm really curious about this. Love this lash cleanser, the Sherry. I'm going to use these products, come back, and let y'all know what I think of it. And then we're going to go from there. Okay, so I will see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Shout out to, where we at? We had like 50-something thousand subscribers. Like, who? What is happening? Like, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. If you're not following me on TikTok or Instagram, follow me there too. I'll talk to y'all in the next video. Bye.